Hello, Bulldogs. This is Dan Campbell from the eLearning team. Welcome to a new fall semester. And if you're new to Ferris, welcome to Ferris. We're happy to have you. Today is just a quick announcement of season 2 of our Tech Tips series. Starting next week, we'll be resuming our weekly video series, bringing you all the online learning, pedagogy, and technology topics that can help you enhance your courses and your students' learning. We're very excited to take the series in a few new directions this year. So we hope you're looking forward to that as much as we are. Among other things, highlighting a few learning technologies available across campus, even on the student affairs side of things, and all kinds of exciting possibilities in learning technology. Now, I know what you're thinking. The anticipation is so great. How can I make it until next week? The answer, the remedy is, of course, to binge season 1 of Tech Tips. The whole season is available on our eLearning YouTube channel. The link to that is in the description below. Also on that YouTube channel, you'll find numerous playlists, all of which are great resources for you. If you are looking for training sessions for our various platforms, Zoom, Canvas, Studio, etc., many of those recordings reside there. You'll find shorter videos on how to do common tasks like cross-listing courses, copying courses, and other things that you might only do once or twice a year and just need a refresher. And of course, season 1 of Tech Tips is in its own playlist for your viewing pleasure. We're looking forward to the new series and hope you are as well. Watch for that starting next week in the UWNs and on YouTube. Take care.